The 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE marks a significant evolution in the luxury SUV segment, introducing a plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain that blends high performance with enhanced efficiency. This model represents Lamborghini's commitment to hybridization, setting new benchmarks in comfort, performance, and driving experience. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Urus SE is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with a 192-horsepower electric motor. This combination delivers a total output of 800 CV, approximately 789 horsepower, enabling the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 312 km per hour. The integration of the electric motor not only boosts performance but also contributes to an 80% reduction in emissions compared to its non-hybrid predecessors. Design and features. The Urus SE retains Lamborghini's iconic design language while incorporating new elements to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The exterior features redesigned components such as a new bonnet, front bumper, and grille, which improve aerodynamic flow and thermal management for the more powerful hybrid powertrain. New louvers and air ducts have been implemented to ensure optimal thermal management. The SUV also boasts new matrix LED headlights with 21 active segments, providing optimal lighting configurations for various driving conditions. Interior and technology. Inside, the Urus SE elevates luxury and comfort with features like massage and ventilation functions, seat heating, and advanced air quality management. The infotainment system has been updated with a new user interface inspired by smartphone app management, allowing drivers to control vehicle features through intuitive swipe gestures on the central display. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the new Lamborghini telemetry system enables drivers to monitor lap times on over 300 preloaded tracks or record new ones, displaying crucial information on the dashboard. Driving dynamics. The Urus SE offers unique driving modes and enhanced dynamics, making it adaptable to various driving conditions and preferences. The integration of the electric motor provides instantaneous torque, resulting in exceptional responsiveness and agility. The vehicle's dynamics are further refined with features like a hang-on differential for dynamic longitudinal torque distribution and an E-differential for dynamic lateral torque vectoring, ensuring precise handling and control. Market position and availability. As Lamborghini's first PHEV super SUV, the Urus SE sets a new standard in the luxury SUV market, combining the performance of a super sports car with the practicality of an SUV. It reflects Lamborghini's strategic move towards hybridization, aligning with the company's broader goals of enhancing performance while reducing environmental impact. The Urus SE is now available for order, with deliveries expected to commence later in the year. In summary, the 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE represents a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and sustainability, positioning itself as a revolutionary vehicle poised for the future. For a visual overview of the 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE, you might find this video informative.